arrived at the gate and the passenger sign has been turned off. Cell phones may not be used. However, laptop computers and other large electronics must remain stowed. Once we arrive at the gate, please use caution when opening overhead bins to prevent injuries. Articles may have shifted during landing. For questions regarding ground transportation and baggage claim, our Frontier customer service rep will meet this flight upon arrival and is happy to assist you. For those customers need a special assistance, such as a wheelchair, we kindly ask that you remain seated until the majority of the customers exit the aircraft, as this will allow us better to assist you. For those customers visiting Los Angeles, we wish you a pleasant stay. For those of you who live in the Los Angeles area, welcome home. On behalf of your Atlanta-based flight crew and Domingo and Andrea, the Hispaniola Hurricanes on our tail wings, we thank you for traveling with us today. Please be sure to visit flightfrontier.com the next time you plan to fly to get a lower station rate.